Leaks around your sink or faucet are often just a sign that your slip joint washers need replacing, and fixing this is way easier than you think. So, here's the deal with slip joint washers. They're these little rubber or plastic rings that seal connections in your plumbing, especially under sinks and in drain pipes. Over time, they get worn out, cracked, or just plain messed up, which causes leaks. First off, turn off the water supply so you don't end up with a mini flood. Then, grab a bucket to catch any drips when you loosen the slip nuts. Use a wrench or your hands to unscrew the slip joint nuts carefully and pull out the old washers. Clean the area where the washer sits so there's no grime or buildup messing with the new seal. Pop in a new washer that matches the size of the old one and tighten everything back up snug, but don't crank it so hard you strip the threads. Finally, turn the water back on and check for leaks. If you see any drips, try tightening the nuts a little more or double check if the washer is seated right. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slip joint washers causing leaks is not turning off the water first, which can lead to water all over your floor and a huge mess. The fix? Always shut off your water supply before starting any repair work. Another common issue is using the wrong size washer. If it's too big or too small, it won't seal properly and will keep leaking. So, make sure you take the old washer to the hardware store to match it perfectly or measure it accurately. Lastly, over-tightening the slip nuts is a classic blunder because it can crack the pipes or strip the threads, leading to more leaks down the line. Just tighten them until they feel snug and secure. No need to go Hulk mode. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors get connected with people who need their skills, making the whole process way smoother for everyone.